Hey guys, what's going on? Is Charles here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking Prezentar review. Okay, so maybe you landed on this page, maybe you are looking for more information on the Prezentar. And I have added some special free bonuses for you. Let's get started. Prezentar is a new cloud-based application that lets anyone create beautiful, professional presentations in minutes. This is similar to PowerPoint, but with new interactive features. Prezentar's intuitive interface makes it easy to add text, images, videos, and transitions. You can also collaborate with others in real time and share your presentations online. The application is based on templates, meaning that users can log in, tweak a template, and finish their presentation in minutes rather than hours. Once you finish editing presentations, you can export them as videos and PDFs instantly. Whether you're giving a business presentation or sharing your vacation photos with friends, Prezentar makes it easy to create presentations that will impress your audience. You can create your amazing presentation in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. You need to pick a template. You can choose from 50 ready-made templates that include 500 content slides across a huge variety of niches for your next campaign. All templates are hand-created by the top professional designers. Just preview the template and you are ready to get started. Step 2. You need to customize after picking a template. You can change backgrounds, add animations, magical effects, logos, images, edit text, new sections, new slides, objects, record audio, edit audio, and so much more right inside the Prezentar software in a few clicks. So it's very easy to do. Step 3. You need to download and share it. You can export your final output to save as HTML, PDF, or video, and it's ready to show the world. Instantly share on the web, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn in seconds. So here I am showing you one of my earnings of the last year, which is around more than $100,000 without spending time. You can learn the same strategies on my free bonuses, which will help you a lot in your online journey. But anyway, this is basically what it does in a nutshell. I'm going to go into more details in just a second. But first of all, I want to talk to you about some bonuses I put together for you because they are exclusive to those of you that buy Prezentar via my link, which if you're watching on YouTube, is down below in the description. They're actually worth way more than the price of the Prezentar, and they are exclusive, especially my first bonus. This one is called El Bandito. This launched a little while ago, a couple of months ago, gave really well sold, massive customers, loved it, and it's going to be a method for you to make even more money online. Okay, so it's my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is the Incognito Method. If I can get my teeth in, and this will show you a way to make money online without ever really showing your identity. So it's really cool. Okay, bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the clones. This is a method and of course, that will teach you how to ethically duplicate other people's affiliate campaigns for your own benefit, so you can make your own commissions. Alright, that's a bonus. Number 3. Bonus number 4 is from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The reason I've included this is that I know a lot of you guys that are watching, you want ways to make money as quickly as possible because maybe you need the money as quickly as possible, right? And you don't get much quicker than 24 hours, so this will teach you how to do that, how to get from 0 money in your bank account to actually getting $100 in there. Okay, so it's a bonus, number 4. Bonus number 5, and my last one is broke to $100,000 a month. This will teach you how to take your profits and scale your online e-commerce business from nothing to the next level. It will teach you everything from scratch, even if you don't know about dropshipping or e-commerce. Okay, that's bonus number 5. So you must pick up the Prezentar through my link in the description below. So you can grab the Prezentar now with my bonuses by picking up throughout my link in the description below and email me at mybonusesget@gmail.com to receive my bonuses ASAP. Let's discuss some pricing. Front end. Prezentar, it cost around $47. So in front end, this features will be enabled for you. 50 stunning presentation templates, 500 designated slides by top-rated artists, multiple niche category designs, easy drag and drop editor, full customization, interactive slides, hot animation effects, Add videos to any slides. 8,000 plus stock images. 2,000 plus icons and shapes. 250 plus HD backgrounds. Record voiceover slides, built-in audio recorder, in-browser audio editing, music studio library, nothing to download, share with anyone in one click, export to video, HTML, and ebook PDF. Upsell 1, Prezentar Professional. It cost around $97. So in first upsell, we'll enable this feature for you. 150 more presentation templates, 500 amazing slide designs, unlocks a video sales letters creator, creates video sales letters in minutes, record voiceovers through your browser, supreme music library, 750 plus premium HD backgrounds, 1,500 plus stock images, 2,000 trendy web icons, unlimited storage, limitless customization, superior features, upgraded power, free software updates. Upsell 2, Prezentar X Factor. It cost around $47. So in second upsell, we'll enable this features for you. 15 extraordinary designs every month, made exclusively for X Factor members only. Vote on the designs you want created. Includes the latest trending designs, designs across a variety of niche categories, unique handcrafted templates, hypnotizing designs that convert, modern popular presentation styles, expand your templates library, 75 HD special slide backgrounds, 150 superior icons bundle pack. Upsell 3, Prezentar Halo 3D. It cost around $77. So in third upsell, we'll enable these features for you. App 1, Interactive Flipbooks. Turns your presentations into interactive flipbooks which you can share with anyone or embed into web pages. App 2, Magical 3D Carousels. Turns their presentations into a floating 3D spinning circle on screen that viewers can engage with. A totally new and unique way of delivering content. App 3, Animated Slide Transitions. Forget boring presentations. With these amazing effects, animations, and transitions, your slides will pop and hypnotize viewers, making them stay glued to the screen to buy whatever you're selling. App 4, Mock-up Skins. Display your presentations inside the latest trendy devices like laptops, phones, monitors, tablets, and more. Gives you a professional image that viewers and clients will be impressed with. Upsell 4, Prezentar Audio Job Finder. It cost around $97, so in fourth upsell, we'll enable this features for you. Auto Job Finder software finds you unlimited new clients and gigs online so that you can make a profitable income using Prezentar. Saves you massive time from having to search for freelance jobs manually. Instant profile templates. 10 times done for you freelance profiles that you can edit and use immediately to help you look like a professional from day one. Gig proposal templates. Speed up applications and increase your chances of winning a client job with these proven application templates. Bookmark engine. Shortlist all the potential gigs that you want to and return to them whenever you're ready to apply. Job tracker. Keep organized. And a track of all your applications to clients so that you don't get confused. Upsell 5, Prezentar Agency. It cost around $97. So in fifth upsell, we'll enable this features for you. One big team account. Work with your whole team on presentations and collaborate effectively, getting work done faster. Create multiple logins. Generate accounts for each team member. You'll never have to share your own logins or risk company security again. Safe and secure. Hire anyone, knowing that your presentations are safe. You can grant anyone access to your presentations to work on, or lock them out. So it's a great opportunity to grow your business or scale your business for making money online. I think you don't miss out on this opportunity, along with my bonuses as well. Okay, anyway, that basically brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my Prezentar review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. If you found this video informative, then do like, share, and subscribe. All the best. Take care. Bye.